Hey guys, we're doing another rewatch today. We're rewatching another Michi map from Tuesday. We have Chase up in the front, followed by Larry, backed up by Travis, who has Alex's side as well. I see that Travis has walled off Alex's base because Alex is, as this comes as a shock to all of you, the Goths. So good job there, Travis. It's a good move. Also worth noting, this plays a role in the game. Chase does a good move here. Chase walls off the trade with houses. The issue we'll see in that is that he leaves a one square spot right here that we're able to get around. So we'll see that. On the other side, we've got Taylor, Ethan, me, this is my main base, and Joel. So, and everyone's kind of going, we got 3 minutes left in the treaty. We see my forward operating base that we've walled off everything on our side except for one little patch right here that we didn't want to. On the other side, Chase didn't wall off at all, and neither did Larry. I'm assuming Larry's decided we're going to attack first. I like that they walled off Alex's side especially. There's also no backup walls going on other than there is this. So Travis is thinking walls and Larry and Chase aren't. So there's a disconnect there. So that's worth noting. Got 2 minutes left. We see everything's kind of going. We'll also notice that Tanner and Taylor myself and Taylor had a miscommunication. And on this side, Taylor's building his forward operating base over in Joel's side instead of where all my stuff is. And I think we notice it like right now. On the other side, we've got Larry. Larry's going. Treaty's dropping in a minute. He's already got a military building. He's doing that. Okay, so Larry is now starting to wall off a little bit. Probably a good idea. This map, you have to do it. It's the reason that the Mayans are so relevant, because you have to wall so much. So you have to have that half off wall. It's just crazy expensive. So, and Chase did not do that at all, but that won't really come into play this game. Other than I've noticed that I don't want my bases this close to the wall. So if I'm doing this in the future, I'm going to be building backwards where at all possible. We notice that Larry's walling off more. You got to do it. It's just so important to keep people out. You got to have these barrier walls going. So trees up. Larry's starting to cut first. We never noticed this. But Larry looks like he's kind of doing a lot of different things, but the majority of the fight's going to be right here. We're going to pick it up just a little bit. So, the majority of the fight's going on. I'm cutting. I want to see what Larry can see. So Larry can see this. Yeah, and they know that they're coming. So this is actually one of the more entertaining moments of the thing. So I cut through right. So I'm sending troops and Larry's got everything here. Watch. I'm going in, I'm going in. Never mind. Oh, gosh dang it, I missed it. But if I was going in and I immediately turned around. Stupid. Ugh. That's because I was trying to get it in the right angle. So Larry's going to start prepping now. On the other side, we see Taylor's brought all his villagers over. Taylor's building stuff to support. We're going to start trying to cut. And Larry's coming. Larry's got... Man, he's just got a really good civ. His civ usage is just great. What are Mamelukes good at? Are they I don't think they're anti-infantry. I don't think that's... I think they're anti-horsemen, I think. I don't really know. But Taylor's showing up. And the fight's beginning to start. Alex is starting to build stuff. Travis is sending in dudes. This is actually a good fight. The big thing is that I just am able to raid the whole game. I think that's probably one of the biggest issues this game. And Taylor just murders the whole game. Now Taylor's just killing troops the whole game. So there's a cut right here, and you'll see I sent troops in already. And Larry's chasing, but he's using camels. Camels are not what you want against infantry. Oh, they're Mameleks. Are they Mamelek? Are a lot of these Mamelek? No, they're Camel Riders. Yeah, Camel Riders aren't effective against infantry. The only thing that they're great at, and they're great at it, is other cavalry, and that's what you want them for. So we get down in here, start fighting. Meanwhile, all of these troops are over here. I think I do another plunge. Maybe not. I swear I did, though. No, I guess I didn't. I guess I just plunged on one side and they all got killed. No, not all of them. Meanwhile, the fight continues up here. So, Larry and them are flexing. They've killed my 4 buildings. So they're going here. And Larry's doing a good job. Travis approaches the mines very differently than I do. I'm very heavy with my Eagle Warriors. He really likes the plumed archers. I like the plumed archers. I think that they're a good archer. I just think that archers aren't really the way to go. Now we've got Chase building bombard towers. I like it. That's a good move. And Joel shows up with hand cannoneers, which actually was really big. Because Larry was throwing a lot of infantry, and those hand cannoneers are going to take care of that. They'll also take care of pretty much any of this stuff. But we'll see that Joel holds really, really well this game. Oh, gosh dang it. So, Larry's doing everything he can to win this fight. Which you got to respect. We're just sending in tons of infantry. I'm kind of playing like the Goths right now a little bit. And Taylor's going in. Is Taylor going to do a full-on plunge? Or is he going to stop right there? It looks like he's stopping right there. Fighting to take out that castle. We're fighting to do this as well. And Joel's just got all of these troops right here that are just doing terrible things. I love it. Chase going with the paladins. So, and now Austin's showing up as well. But Austin's using hussars. What's going on? Oh wait, that's not Austin. That's Ethan. We didn't have Austin in this game. He fell asleep. Bombard cannons and cavalry. Signature Chase. I love it. Trying so hard to take out this castle. And we get it. I think that the difference in this game, at least from my perspective, it looks like we attacked and unified. There was more of a unified front. I think Taylor also was wrecking. These siege augers just took care of big chunk groups really well. While we just kind of drained people a lot. Joel was able to counter most of the stuff that Travis was throwing at him. Now we're going in. This area has just been getting bigger and bigger. And Larry built another castle. inching forward. We see that I've put more troops in the back, but they're going to die. But we're attacking the trade. I don't know if anything's happened over here. I know that eventually they're going to come and attack Taylor. But they haven't yet. But we're just fighting at this hole with everything that we got. So Travis is here. Chase is throwing stuff. Larry's throwing stuff. Ethan is... Now we've opened up this wall and Ethan is showing up. These bombard cannons are huge, we'll see. Joel's sending in archers now. Well, they've kind of flexed all of a sudden. And kind of turned. And Ethan with the anti-siege there. Larry's kind of trying to put together looks like a little plunge thing. I'm not really sure what's going on there. But we're just really dug in at this point. We got all these bombard towers. We got these. So let's see what happens there. So I got back in here. But I don't think it lasts very long. We've got it pretty defended at this point. So now we've got Taylor's starting to push even farther up on the front. And Chase is building great units for anti-Taylor. I think they need a little bit more micro. But talk about a crazy little hole. And Taylor's doing a plunge. See how far that one gets. Starts hitting it. Travis. And Alex is like, no! Cutting through the house to go in. And Chase as well. Okay, so that was Taylor's plunge. Meanwhile, Larry's holding the line. Really, we've kind of hit a stalemate in this middle section, but let's see what happens. Now I'm doing a plunge. You know, you get to that point where you're just like, I'm going to just try to avoid the front and go in. And we're hitting Larry. This is what I think this one does. I'm not really sure, though. We'll see. No, not hitting Larry. Oh, I bet that's frustrating for Travis that didn't get finished. Back in the trade. Just kind of going crazy. And everyone's giving Larry food. So many troops. It's crazy. Oh, so I'm doing another plunge here. But we're attacking Alex. And Joel started to make his special unit. Meanwhile, we say, okay, so this is where they're like, we have to do something. So they're cutting through. Let's see what they see. going in. Oh, I'm out of time.